I'm here to talk to you on the product called Franklin Hodge. It's a fire water storage tank, and we have two types of tanks, which are aluminum tanks, which we supply in Dubai for Diva, and we have the galvanized tanks, which are used in Transco. The speciality of this tank is that these are site assembled bolted steel tanks, which comes with a 10-year warranty and is also approved by LPCB, FM and different entities. And we also supply the tanks which are seismic on two-way compliant tanks, which is as per the mandatory requirement of civil defense UAE.
Our Honeywell range of fire alarm product, which include both addressable and conventional, commercial and industrial fire products. Here in our product range, we deal with SCAMI, both UL and EN listed, SIL 2 SIL 3 certified, rack mounted and wall mounted industrial type of panels. We have notifier full range of UL listed fire alarm mass notification and fireman telephone system. We have also full range of extraless system, and we can also support you with analytical gas alarm system.
In Dutco Tennant firefighting division, we have two products. Major, we have pipes and valves, where we have ERW pipes and seamless pipes. ERW pipes, we have schedule 40, size ranging from half an inch up to 12 inch. And we have different kind of valves, butterfly valves, check valves, gate valves, strainers, all are ULFM approved and also local civil defense approved.
As far as out of fire protection is concerned, we offer highest quality fire hydrants that helps the fireman with a rapid and a reliable operation and avoids further fire escalations. We offer hydrants in three types: dry, wet as well as the underground type. With all the necessary international approvals as well as the local authority approvals, we offer the best in the market. For more information, you can contact Dutco Tennant.
Honeywell's fire alarm control panel it serves as a central nervous system of the entire fire protection system. We are, besides this fire alarm control panel, we are also dealing with field devices which contains heat detector, smoke detector and other notification devices.